Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from Tuesday morning. First of all, this haul is going to be late being up because my computer crashed. And so I'm not sure when I have a chance with my schedule this week or two. I'm traveling to even go get one in between, so yeah. So anyway, it won't be up till when it's up, but I did post some of the items on Instagram anyway, so you will be aware that the Prima stuff out. So I'm gonna just jump right in and show you what I got. So I did buy me this before I went on my trip. This is just one of those little travel book rests that you could use to put your, smaller tablet or phone, whatever, when you travel. Up like this, and these pop up to put the book in it, your tablet, or your phone. And it was $6.99. It was 213-6505, which I'm not sure if the number hasn't been working, so I'm not sure if it's out, but I'm still reading them, and if it's out, then, and by the time this video up, it may already be out. So you don't have to tell me the number's out, I know. But anyway, I'm gonna still read them just for this video, but I'll find out later. So these were two of the small ones. I don't know if I got the other one. I think I did in the other video. So I think this is my third one. So this says congrats and thank you. And these are the little pop-up ones, which you can use these as toppers and things like that, or slide pull. So the first one is congrats pop-up, and this is by Marisa Job. $4.99, both of these are. And it's 217-4991. And then the thank you pop-up is, the last two digits is 93. So the first part is the same, 217-4991. And this is 993. The spellbinder's number is S3246 for the congrats, and it's S3247 for the pop-ups. So they're like 3.5 each by 3, I think, something like that. Yeah. So that's the dimensions, and like I said, you can use those things for toppers as well. They had this one, which is a border flower, and this is by Sharon Soul, and it's 217-4990. And this is a two-piece, so it just had the leaf. It's more like a rectangle or square, type of wreath with a little flower piece. And it's S3266. And I'll show you what that looks like. So it's more of a rectangular one, which I thought was kind of cute. And that's the size of it, and that's a little flower. And of course you can decorate that with a little flower. Make the flowers dimensional as well. And let me just show you the size of these real quick, in case you're trying to decide. This is a one-piece one, and it's stuck in here. So as you see it, you can actually cut it down the center, but that's a crease line, and use it for a one piece on something, or fold it over in half, and you've got your topper. Will pop up, center place, table tent. You might want to use this placemat as well. And the thank you one is the same. Looks exactly the same. I did get this one Heroes art. I just thought it was different because it's, two little envelopes, a heart shape, and then this one shape. And so that was $5.99. 216-0487, and it's called Love Note Pair of Fancy Dies. So that's what they look like. So small little envelopes. And the last spellbinders, which I think I do not have, is this 4-piece set, which is labels 48 Decorative Elements, S6044. So it was a nestabilities, and so this was $6.99, and it's 217-4972, and I will show you that. And this is a Decorative Elements, so it actually goes with labels 48. So you have the labels 48 nesting dies. The Decorative Elements, compare it with that to actually take your plain nesting one to the next level. And I'm going to show you those sizes and how large they are. You see how big that is? And this has the dotted lines, that. And they nestle nicely with each other, inside of each other, and with the other set. So that you can cut and nestle each one of those. Pick up two more of the insert pockets, which are really great price for $1.19. And these are 4.375 by 8.375. So these are just the clear pockets that you can put in your traveler's notebooks. So I got 2 of those. I did pick up the Wild Heart. I think I have these, but I'm not sure. I know I have some of the other stuff, but I wasn't sure if I had these. I don't think I do. And this is 213-9149. It says August date on it. So I guess I didn't get them last month. But I know I got some of the other parts of the paper collection. I know I had the stamps and the alphas and something else from this. I don't know. I got to double check that. Then I got 3 from the Here and There collection, which I got to check and see if I got the paper. I think I do. I can't remember. Everything is merging since I've been on vacation. And this one is a 40-piece ephemera set, 213-9219 for $1.99. So you've got different sizes. And that's what those look like. And then this was the 8 envelopes. So you got your pockets in the envelopes for $3.99 and 213-9220. And that's what they look like. And then the 83 sticker set for $1.99, 213-9216. And pretty much very similar to the ephemera pad, except you've got your stickers. And you got some word sentiments down here. This in rose gold, or kind of copper rather. And you got some more over here. So a nice collection of that to go along with that. And then with the Wonder set, which I was really kind of thought was kind of cool, was this thicker Wonder set that I picked up for $2.49. The prices went up. 213-9214. But I love the black and white Wonder, Getaway, Sightseeing, Wonder Plus 5, Vacay, Ready to Go, Travel. Here we, I guess, go. Adventure. You got your camera, you got Memories, Explore, Greet. You got just some Polaroid signs. So nice black and white ones. I love those. And this has been out for a long time, but I just got these little Jolie Bling for $1.99. 2160864. Just some gold bows just to add on different projects. I already got the metallic color ones, but then I found the colored packs, so I went on and got those because I know eventually you won't be able to find these since the product is being sourced out to Tuesday morning different places. It was $5.99 and 2175786, so I went on and got that. Now they had these Primas right here. They also had the washi to go along with this, which I didn't get. This is Zealous Teal, but they had the washi and something else with this collection. I forgot what it was, but this is 26 rubber stamps, and you can kind of see those. It's got that Tiffany color, and they just show some other stuff on the back that you might like. And it's a $2.49, and it's 2172166. So here's some of the Prima flowers. It's a 20-piece set. You got the flowers, a stencil, and a frame, paper frame for $2.19, 2172153. So those are the pretty flowers, and then that's the stencil and the frame. They did have this 45-sheet journaling card, 15 designs, 3 sets each, by Prima. And this is, it says Poetic, 2172113 for $2.49. And let me pop it open. I didn't need any more paper in the journaling cards, but I don't own any Prima. I was just thinking about it, so I don't own any Prima, and sometimes it's hard for me to do shabby chic because I don't own anything like that. But anyway, so she sees possibility everywhere. Everything you want is on the other side of fear, which is so true. Love every bit of your quirky self. So it's 3 of each, and then double-sided. The sign of a beautiful person is that they always see the beauty in others. Young, wild, and free. Friends pick up when we fall down, and if they can't pick us up, they lie down and listen for a while. Oh, that's cute. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Hopefully you can see these. Hopefully I've been in frame. A smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Dance forever. You gotta nourish to flourish. Tea, also known as snuggle in a cup. I've decided to stick with love. Hate is too great a burden to bear. MLK, Martin Luther King Jr. Don't stress. Do the best. Forget the rest. So just nice little encouraging cards. You can send one of your girlfriends that's going through some stuff. Purpose fuels passion, or one of your kids, you know, a family member. She was never quite ready, but she was brave, and the universe listens to brave. So again, like I said, and if you don't want to use those sides, you have the other side, which is pretty much the same. Well, it is the same on all of them, but you can use the other side as well. Then I got this paper pad, which I didn't go to the other stores to really look around to see what they had. So this one is the C one. This is Saint Tropez by Frank Garcia for $3.99, and this is the A4 one, which is 8.27 by 11.69. So these are double-sided, 6 double-sided, 5 sheets each, so it's 30. And like I said, it's $3.99, 217-2161. So let me pop this open. For those who haven't seen it, and I didn't get a chance to make a video. My camera was so full. Well, I still have some space on, but it was moving slow. I took so many pictures on my vacation that it was just taking too long to load, so I just did the pictures instead of doing a video. And that was on Tuesday morning. So you can see both sides. You know, you can cut those border strips up. Those cut parts as well. Nice mixed media, shabby chic. Look at that. Those maps, those florals, wood, pretty wood. And they also make some nice masculine projects out of this as well. That nautical feel. Not that the ocean is not for women, but it's something about that ruggedness of the sea that lends to masculinity. So the next Prima I got was 12 by 12, because I didn't have any 12 by 12s. So I wanted to get one of those, and they actually had like 7 or 8 of the same pad at the store that I found this in. So this is 24 sheets, 12 by 12, 6 double-sided, 4 sides each, and this one is this is poetic, so it goes along with this right here, and it's 217-2109. So again, I'm going to do a little quick flip so you can kind of see. I used to not like shabby chic, but I swear watching Tamika Scrap the World made me end up liking it. So that was that, and then the last thing I got, which again I think I may have gotten, but I wasn't sure, so I didn't want to pass it up. You know, the price went up to $2.99. Was this chipboard set by Wild Heart, and it's 213-9145. So that collection pretty much has all come out in stages now. The paper, the stamps, the alphas, and the chipboard, and stickers, and ephemera. So that is my haul. Like I said, I don't know when this will be up. So all this stuff may already be in your stores by the time you see it, but hopefully it won't be too long. My computer just sitting on this white screen. So bad, because all of my vacation pictures are up there, and I was going to spend this morning uploading them. Great. And now it looks like I may have lost all of my vacation photos. So, to say the least, I'm devastated. But anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.